When you order your urban composter, you can either have it ordered individually boxed or in boxes of 6 or similar. When it comes individually boxed, the urban composter will be completely assembled and is ready to go. There's nothing you need to do. It's ready for use. It looks like this. However, if you get it in a packet, it's going to be in parts and you'll have to assemble it yourself. So the first thing to do is check off the parts that you have, make sure you have everything. There's the bucket itself, the lid, the strainer, the tap, and the stainless steel pins that hold the lid in. Also included in these packets would be an assembly instruction sheet which tell you how to do that, so we're just going to go through that quite easily. The first stage is to attach the tap. So firstly, make sure that this black rubber washer is around the square piece at the end of the tap thread. It's important that you put this tap on properly, as you may damage threads if you do it incorrectly. So just quite gently place it into the bucket until it by itself catches onto the thread and gently turns. So there it's working by itself quite well. And just simply screw it in. When you get to the last couple of turns, it'll be a bit tight. That's the bucket making the seal. The last turn there, and it's done. So now we're just going to attach the lid. So place the lid in place of the bucket. Grab your stainless steel pin and gently put it into the hole. Then using a solid flat object, which I'm going to use this wooden spoon, carefully push it through the hole and then straight through. Try to keep this end sticking out, so if you ever need to change the lid, if you want a new colour or a new one for whatever reason, you have something to clasp on so you can easily pull it out.